Welcome guys in this lecture of ongoing Python programming series of functions. Today we are going to see an important conceptual topic, that is difference between parameter and argument. And this is a topic which is readily asked in your interviews also. So let's jump onto the Jupyter file that I've created here. Parameter is a variable or a list of variables assigned at the time of creating a function. Let's create some function here. I'm creating a function add underscore say func, and it is a function name which can be anything, and I'm passing two input variables a comma b. These a comma b are nothing but parameters, and I have initialized them at the time of creating my function. Now let's jump inside this functional block and write some operations. A c equal to a plus b, this will add a plus b, assign it to c. Let's return this c to the function back. Now coming out of the function, let's call this function. So print add underscore func and a comma b. Now what I am doing, I am calling my function. If we see the definition above, now we have function, we have parameter, now we have got an argument, and it is the value assigned to the parameter at the time of function calling. So what I will do, I will write some value for my a comma b. So I'm writing 4 comma 5, which means that 5 will be assigned to b and 4 will be assigned to a automatically. And now my a comma b or ab has become argument. So parameter is something which is created, which is written at the time of function creation. Like add underscore func, I am creating a function and I am passing a comma b. It is known as parameter. And at the time of function calling, when I assign some values to my functions, to my parameters, they are called arguments. This is the basic difference between parameter and argument. One important thing that I have to remember, number of parameter must be equal to number of arguments. See the error here. Add function take two positional argument. If you see here, there are two parameters a comma b, but there are three arguments 4 comma 5 comma 6. So it simply means that there are no parameter assigned to hold the value of 6. Similarly, if number of parameters are more, then also some error will occur. See here. Okay, so add function missing one required positional argument d. It means that we have assigned some parameter but we are not giving any value to d. So this is all about parameters versus argument. In the next lecture we are going to see types of arguments which are available in Python in functions and how we can overcome these sort of errors. For the time being, keep practicing, and if you have any doubt, keep commenting. Thank you, and we'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.